Have you ever wondered how to prevent bubbles when you are rollering and painting? Well, after you've given it its first coat, to prevent this from happening, what you must do is get yourself a sanding block or a piece of sanding, and after you've given it its first coat, you must then give the first coat a rub down. This just breaks the, takes the top layer of paint where the air is trapped in underneath. It's trapped air which is basically expanding. So if we give it a rub down, once we have give it the first coat, it will allow the air to escape. I mean, if I roller this now, because I've rubbed it down previously, you see how the bubbles come, and what we need to do is pop these once they've dried, and that's what the sanding does. So once we roller it down, there we go. Not a bubble in sight, and we've cracked it. If you want any more hints and tips, just drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and happy decorating!